Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the file attachment exceeding context window warning in Claude. If you've ever tried uploading a large PDF, research paper, book, code base, or collection of files into Claude and received a warning that the attachment exceeds the available context window, don't worry. This doesn't necessarily mean your file is unusable. It simply means the total amount of content is larger than what Claude can actively work with at one time in the current conversation. The first thing to understand is that context window limits determine how much information Claude can process and reference during a chat. When a file is too large, Claude may not be able to consider every part of the document simultaneously, which can affect the quality of its responses. One of the easiest solutions is to split the file into smaller sections before uploading it. For example, if you're working with a large book or report, divide it by chapters or major sections. Instead of uploading a 500-page document all at once, upload smaller portions and analyze them individually. If you're working with a PDF, you can use a PDF editor or online PDF splitter to create multiple files. Then upload the sections one at a time and ask Claude to summarize or analyze each section separately. Another effective approach is to focus on only the relevant content. Many large documents contain appendices, references, indexes, or supplementary material that may not be necessary for your specific task. Removing unnecessary sections can significantly reduce the amount of content Claude needs to process. For code projects, avoid uploading every file if only a few are relevant to the problem you're solving. Instead, upload the main source files and any supporting files directly related to the issue. This keeps the context focused and improves review quality. You can also use a staged analysis workflow. Start by asking Claude to summarize individual sections using prompts like "summarize this section and list the key findings." Once you've analyzed all sections, upload the summaries and ask, "combine these summaries into a comprehensive overview and identify the most important conclusions." This allows Claude to work with condensed information rather than the full document. Another useful strategy is extracting only the portions you need help with. For example, if you're reviewing a contract, upload only the relevant clauses. If you're analyzing a research paper, focus on the methodology, results, or conclusion sections instead of the entire document. When dealing with multiple files, prioritize them. Upload the most important files first and establish the necessary context before adding supporting documents later in the conversation. Finally, remember that more content isn't always better. Claude often performs best when given focused, relevant information and a clear objective. A smaller, targeted document combined with a specific prompt frequently produces better results than uploading an entire archive of information. By splitting large files, removing unnecessary content, using section-by-section analysis, and focusing on relevant material, you can effectively work around context window warnings and get much more accurate results from Claude. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.